Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have discussed one important question which is asked in your examination as a MCQ form for which can as well as double examination. Now we are going to solve the remaining questions of your exercise. Today we will complete the exercise 13.2. Let's see here. The question is question number 15. One card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards, in which the following cases are the events E and F independent. The first case is given here. તમને બે events આપી છે, event E and event E and F. તો એ બંને events માં તમારે ચેક કરવાનું છે કે they are independent or not. In which case they are independent. કયા કેસમાં independent છે તમારે ચેક કરીને કહેવાનું છે. The first one, event E. So event E is given here. The card drawn is spade. The card drawn is spade. Is a spade. So event E is given. Therefore, the probability of event E. So the probability of event E find out. The probability of event E is the card is spade. Spade no card hoy. Any probability. So total 52 cards are there. One card તમે select કરો છો. Total 4 spades are available here. That means 1 by 13 is your the probability of event E. And the second event F is given. The card drawn is an ace. The card, spade card. Total available spade cards 13 is. It's my mistake. Total available spade cards 13 is 13 by 52. Therefore, you are getting the answer 1 by 4. Okay? The card drawn is a spade. Total available spade cards 13 divided by 52 available cards 1 upon 4. Same way, the event F, the card drawn is an ace. તમે જે કાર્ડ ડ્રોન કરો છો એ એસ હોય means એકો હોય. That means your probability of event F is equals to total 4 aces are available out of 52 cards. Therefore, you are getting the answer 1 by 13. Okay? So, available spade cards 13 હતા. 13 by 52 means 1 by 4. ચલો એમાંથી ace 1 by 13. અને હવે જોઈ લો E intersection F એની બી પ્રોબેબિલિટી તમારે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવી પડશે. તો પહેલા તો E intersection F પહેલા ઇવેન્ટ જોઈ લો. તો ઇવેન્ટ શું થશે? The card drawn is spade. Spade નું કાર્ડ હોવું જોઈએ as well as an ace. The ace of spade એવું બોલે ને. The card drawn is an ace of spade. Spade નો એટલે કે કાર્ડનો એક ગોજ હોવો જોઈએ. The ace of spade. And ace of spade એક જ કાર્ડ છે. There is only one card. Therefore, we can find the probability of E intersection F is 1 by 52. It's 1 by 52. Now we can check the probability of event E into probability of event F. Multiply this probability 1 by 4 into 1 by 13, which is equals to 1 by 52. Therefore, we can say that here probability of E intersection F is equals to probability of E into probability of F. Both are equal. Therefore, events E and F are which type of events? They are independent events. independent events. Clear? आज રીતે સેમ ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 2 ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 2 માં ચેક કરીએ event E and F both are given for the second case then it is also given event E. The event E is the card drawn is black. The card drawn is black. Here black stands for the color. Here black stands for the color. The event E, the card drawn is black. The card drawn is black. So black stands for the color, therefore probability of E equals to, so black color na total available cards 26 out of 52. Therefore you are getting the probability which is equals to 1 by 2. Same way, event F is given. The card drawn is king. The card drawn is a king. चलो king होय. The total available kings are 4. Therefore your probability of event F is 4 by 52, which is equals to 1 by 13. 1 by 13. Now event E intersection F. चलो તમારો king भी હોવો જોઈએ અને બી કયો હોવો જોઈએ black. The king of black, that means the card drawn is a king of black color cards. So black color no cards no king હોવો જોઈએ. That means the probability of E intersection black color na total 26 cards આમાંથી બે જ king available હોય, means 2 by 52. You are getting the answer 1 by 26. Now check here. Now probability of E into probability of F. આપણે મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન ચેક કરો કે probability of E intersection F જેટલું આવે છે કે નહીં. Therefore you are getting the answer 1 by 2 into 1 by 30 means 1 by 26. Therefore you can say that here probability of E intersection F equals to probability of E into probability of F. Therefore events E and F are which type of events? Independent events. They are independent events. Clear? તો આ રીતે તમે calculate કરી શકો. The third case is also here. The events are given. For this case, the card drawn is king or queen, and the card drawn is queen or jack. આ કેસ भी જોઈ લઈએ. ચલો, તો the third one, the card event E, the card drawn is king or queen, a king or queen. So what is the probability? The probability of event E is queen or king. Total king 4 or queen. It's total 8 cards. 8 by 52 is your probability of this event. Is 8 by 52. You are getting the answer 2 by 13 for this event F. The event F, the card drawn is queen or jack. The card drawn is queen or jack. તમે જે કાર્ડ ડ્રોન કરો છો એ ક્વીન હોય અધરવાઇઝ જેક હોય, and the probability of this event is total queen 4 jack 4 means total 8 by 52. Therefore you are getting the answer 2 by 13. Now we can calculate intersection of both the events E intersection F. चलो બંને ઇવેન્ટ્સ નો ઇન્ટરસેક્શન કન્સિડર કરો, કિંગ ઓર ક્વીન. બીજામાં છે ક્વીન ઓર જેક ઇન્ટરસેક્શનમાં ખાલી ક્વીન જ આવશે તો the selected card the card drawn is a queen the card drawn is a queen so any probability the probability of E intersection F total available queens 4 by 52 you are getting the answer 1 by 13 for this case. Now check the probability of E into probability of F equals to so the probability of E is 2 by 13 probability of F is 2 by 13 you are getting the answer 4 by 13 into 13 169 you are getting the answer 4 by 169 therefore we can say that here probability of E intersection F is not equals to probability of E into probability of F therefore events E and F are not independent events they are not independent events therefore also we can say that they are dependent events એવું બી કહી શકાય ક્લિયર છે તો આ રીતે તમે આ ક્વેશ્ચન ને અટેમ્પ્ટ કરી શકો બહુ ઈઝી છે જોઈ લે ફટાફટ Now we are going to discuss the next question, exercise 13.2, question number 16, which is quite easy question. बहुत easy question है 13.2, question number 16. In this question, it is given that in a hostel, 60% of the students read Hindi newspaper, 40% read English newspaper and 20% read both Hindi and English newspaper. Percentage જ્યારે બી given હોય એટલે તમારી probability સમજી લો કે 60% probability છે that means 60 by 100 that is 0.6 or 6 by 10 તમે લખો જે રીતે લખો એટલે કોઈ જ વાંધો નથી ક્લિયર તો એ તમારી probability છે સમજી લો 60%, 40% and 20%. पहला पहले तो events assume कर लेंगे. Event A, the student read Hindi newspaper. The student read Hindi newspaper. Okay? चलो हिंदी न्यूज़पेपर रीड करें एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी कैलकुलेट करनी हो तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ स्टूडेंट इज 60 by 100 means you can say that 3 by 5 also 0 0 cancel 6 by 10 means 3 by 5 same event B can be selected as the student read which newspaper? English newspaper. Okay, and the probability of this event is event B, which is equals to 40% students means 4 by 100 0 0 will cancel out 4 by 10 you can say that this is 2 by 5. Okay, next probability of both. Okay, both 20% read Hindi and English means probability of event A and B બંનેની intersection ની probability B given છે 20% means 20 by 100 2 by 10 the answer is 1 by 5. Now see the question number 1. Find the probability. She reads neither Hindi nor English newspaper. But the first question is she reads neither Hindi nor English newspaper. She reads neither Hindi nor English newspaper. The first question આ કેસનો છે. Therefore your required probability, તમારી required probability શું થશે? Neither Hindi nor English means A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash. આગળ બે આવા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ આપણે કરેલા છે. તો required probability equals to the required probability equals to probability of A union B whole dash, and which can be calculated by 1 minus probability of A union B, 1 minus probability of A union B. And how can we calculate it? The probability of A union B can be calculated by use of formula 1 minus P of A plus P of B minus probability of A intersection B. All the three probabilities are given here. Therefore, you can put the values of all the three probabilities and get the answer of this question. Okay? And an answer તમે અહીંયા calculate કરશો. આવડી ગયો એવો question છે. Okay? So next, the second question. The second question is for B. નામ આપ્યું છે તો કોઈ ABC. First, second, third નથી. ABC. આપણે ABC કહીએ. A, B. She reads Hindi newspaper. Chalo, she reads. If she reads Hindi newspaper, then find the probability that she reads English newspaper. चलो if she reads Hindi newspaper એટલે હિન્દી ન્યૂઝપેપર રીડ કરે છે એવું given છે. This is a non event. યાદ કરો 13.1 conditional probability આવી. If she reads Hindi newspaper, then what is the probability that she reads English newspaper? Therefore, for this case, the required probability, so that's required probability equals to, चलो non event नीचे denominator में आवे, is equals to probability of Hindi is non છે એટલે આપણે A B જેની event ની probability find out કરવાની છે. given A is probability of B given A. You have the formula for finding the probability of B given A means A intersection B divided by probability of A. You have all the values, probability of A intersection B and probability of A. Okay? So if કરીને જે આપી હોય આપણી non event થાય, you know that same way C. In this case, if she reads English newspaper, then find the probability she reads Hindi newspaper. If she reads English newspaper, means given event is English newspaper, she reads English newspaper. Therefore, for this case, the required probability is you have to find the probability she reads Hindi newspaper when it is given that she reads English newspaper. Okay? Therefore, the answer for this case is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. This is your conditional probability. એટલે કે 13.1 ને રિલેટેડ ક્વેશ્ચન હતા બે એ તમને આવડી ગયા છે. વેલ્યુઝ બધી અવેલેબલ છે, કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરી લેજો. Next question, exercise 13.2, question number 17, which is your MCQ question. MCQ question. The probability of obtaining an even prime number on each dice. On each dice means both the dice when pair of die is rolled. Pair of die is rolled. चलो pair of die roll करिए obviously છે total outcomes 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 up to 6 means total 36 outcomes are there. For this question the pair of die is rolled. Pair of die is rolled. चलो pair of die is rolled. तो pair of dice roll કરીએ તો obviously છે તમારો sample space S write down કરવો હોય 1 1 1 2 1 3 up to તમે આ રીતે ચેક લાસ્ટમાં 6 6 સુધી જાતે લખી દેશો કે બધું નહીં લખો. ઓકે, હવે લઈએ ઇવેન્ટ આપણી obtaining an even prime number on each dice. चलो इवेंट A लઈએ. इवेंट A obtaining even prime number only one is there, only two. एक ज prime number से even 2. The even prime number on each dice. Okay, therefore the favorable outcomes is 2 2 only. 2 2 only. Even prime number is 2 and બંને dice ઉપર 2 2 જોઈએ. Okay, therefore the probability of required event is probability of A is equals to total outcomes 36 and favorable outcomes only one is there. Therefore your answer is option D, 1 upon 36, which is quite easy question. Next one, question number 18, which is also MCQ, exercise 13.2. Question number 18, which is also MCQ question. अपन આપણો MCQ question છે એટલે આજે 13.2 કમ્પ્લીટ કરીએ છીએ. Two events A and B will be independent. ચલો એ E1 આપેલું છે. Here events A and B. Events A and B are independent. चलो આ બંને independent events હોય તો obviously છે કે first statement તમારા દિમાગમાં શું આવવું જોઈએ? They are independent, therefore we can say that probability of A intersection B equals to probability of A into probability of B. આ દિમાગમાં આવી જવું જોઈએ. હવે ઓપ્શન જોઈ લો. ફર્સ્ટ A and B are mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means A intersection B equals to null set and probability of A intersection B is equals to 0. तो ज કહેવાય પણ એવું તો આવે જ નહીં આ કેસમાં. Second, probability of A dash B dash. Probability of A dash B dash means A dash B dash નું meaning એવો થાય probability of A dash intersection B dash. અને આ A dash અને B dash A and B are independent. Then and then we can also say that A dash and B dash also independent events. Therefore, it is also written as probability of A dash into probability of B dash. And we can write probability of A dash equals to 1 minus probability of A. And probability of B dash equals to 1 minus probability of B. You can say the option B is your suitable option for this case. Option C is not suitable. Probability of A equals to B એવું જરૂરી નથી. It is not necessary. And the option D is also not necessary. Probability of A plus probability of B equals to 1. એ બી જરૂરી નથી. ખાલી this one is important condition as well as this also. યાદ રાખજો. Intersection ના લખ્યું હોય ખાલી આટલું લખ્યું હોય તેનું મીનિંગ જ આ થાય. Probability of A dash B dash means probability of A dash intersection B dash, which can be written as a probability of A dash into probability of B dash. Why? If A and B are independent, same way A dash and B dash also independent events. Okay, therefore we can write for this case also. Therefore your suitable option is right option is option B is your right option. Okay, exercise 13.2 completed. Exercise 13.2 complete કરીએ છીએ. બહુ easy exercise છે, અઘરું છે નહીં અને આવડે એવી exercise છે. તો જોઈ લો ફટાફટ એકવાર.